Welcome back, guys. In the previous video we learned how to extrude, and in this video we will learn how to extrude for holes. We generate the first hole. We use the chain function, the same that we learned to use in the previous video. We click on the hole here to correct the direction if necessary with the reverse function. The milling cutter will in fact move in this direction. Okay, let's confirm. It seems that nothing happened. Why? Look at our menu here. We don't have to create. We have to take away material. Then we highlight cut body. Then we drill our first hole in the piece. We can continue so that we keep this menu open. Now click on this hose. As we can see, it keeps the previously set information, so we can proceed faster. Let us now deal with the seat of the screw and the bearing seat. After confirmation, we drill a true hole, but my seat has a depth of 35. So, in this instance, I enter this depth. And as we can see, we created the seat for my bearing. In a similar way, we make the seats for the screws. We confirm this operation. Click on the screw seats. We give the depth of 30, and here is our piece is finished. Well done, guys! What will be the next steps? The preparation of the raw piece, the preparation of the machine, enter information relating to the machine tools. When we have entered all this information, CAD/CAM will translate all these steps into a CNC program. Before saying goodbye, I want to remind you of the exercise which I left you in lesson 3. I hope you are not having any particular difficulties, but I'm at your disposal if you need clarification. For now, here from Techno Intellego, that's all. See you soon, guys.